Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get uBlock Origin back on Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, type chrome://flags and press enter. This will open Chrome's experimental features page. In the search box on that page, type allow legacy extension manifest versions. You will see an option with the same name appear. Change its setting from default to enabled. Right after you enable it, you will see a button appear at the bottom right that says Relaunch. Click that button to restart Chrome with the new setting applied. Once Chrome has relaunched, open a new tab and search for uBlock Origin GitHub. Click on the first result. On the GitHub page, look on the right side and click on the Releases section. Scroll down and click on the latest release of uBlock Origin. On the release page, scroll again until you see the download links. If you are using Chrome, download the Chromium version of uBlock Origin. If you are a Firefox user, you can also choose the Firefox version instead. Click on the one for your browser and it will start downloading. When the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and find the zip file. Right-click on it and extract the contents into the same folder. Once you extract it, you will have a folder with the uBlock Origin files. Now go back to Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. From the menu, choose Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. When the Extensions page opens, look for a button at the top left that says Load Unpacked. Click on that and then select the folder you extracted in your downloads. After selecting it, the extension will appear with a warning sign. Click on the warning and then click on Clear All to dismiss it. Your uBlock Origin extension is now installed and working again. Thanks for watching.